everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with some happy mail, and I will be doing my happy mail from the Stamps of Life. I am so surprised, you guys. I actually got it early. Usually it takes longer for me to receive it. I live in California. They're home based and they do the packaging in California, so usually it takes about 5 to 7 days for me to receive it. So I'm so happy I received it early. I think they barely shipped it out on Tuesday or Wednesday, and I got it in on Saturday, so excited. But before that, I wanted to show some cards that were sent to me. This one's from Miss Martha Hamilton, and she here on YouTube is Granny's House, I believe. And I've had this for a few weeks already, and oh my goodness, I do apologize. I do apologize, Miss Martha. I don't know why I keep on forgetting to open it. So let me see. And so it's just a little cute card, and it's a thank you, Kathy, for your thoughtful entry into my giveaway. Love and hugs, and Granny Martha. So there you go. This is her cute little card, and thank you so much. And it was a pleasure to just send you something for your giveaway. I mean, I love to support. I'm not in it to the win for anything, but you know, just the support. And so anyways, oh, I'm sorry, I started opening this one right now. So anyways, this is from Miss Sue Noko, and she here on YouTube is Crafty Sue 519. And oh, how cute. Look at her butterfly card. So cute. And I just saw Tree open hers, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have her card and I haven't even opened it. So hi Kathy, just a little note. Thank you for co-hosting the mini spring 2021 swap. I learned a lot during this, since it was so many firsts. Oh, it was so many firsts for her. So there you go. So cute, you guys. Thank you so much, and I will link both ladies down on the description below, so you guys could go over, check them out, and show them some love and support, you guys. So it's always awesome to support our fellow crafters. And let's go ahead and open my happy mail from Stamps of Life. And let me see. So this is what it looks like, you guys, when you receive it. And I always love getting the boxes, because I always use the boxes for, sorry you guys, I always use the boxes for storing. So I either store whatever I got from them, like their papers or their embellishments, or anything that I might need it for. So awesome to have, and soon I will have a whole bunch of them. So let me go ahead and show you. Let me see. This is what I got. This is what I got. So this month's was like a little birdie and a fountain. This is what it looks like. And usually this is an inspirational card, and just showing you how you could use your dies and stamps and everything you receive from them. So awesome to get. And this one, oh good, I got a stamp set, and it is let me see, you just have to find it. Not too sure what that means. You just have to find it. I'm not too sure what it means. There's always a reason to smile. Oh, okay. So you could just use that. And the birdies are so cute. So you guys, I need to learn how to color. So there you go. And then it comes, sorry you guys, it comes with the little die set. So awesome. So you could just go ahead and color it and then die cut it. Awesome. So awesome set to have. And then Stephanie sent a free gift, and usually she does this every other month, or third month, or her husband Ken does that. So this is a freebie, and this is awesome because you can, it's like a border kind of, and it's like, oh, I like that. So a lot of her dies have shadow dies, just like this one does. And I love that, because you know what? Oh my goodness. It makes it so easy, and sometimes it makes it more elegant. So I like this. I like this. So we'll see. We'll see how that works out. So awesome to use on scraps as well. So she also had this bling. And you guys, I have not seen her unboxing. She did have one, I think, but I haven't had time to watch any videos like I used to. So this is what it looks like. The color might be a little darker, so I do apologize, you guys. It's probably because this box is in here. Anyways, so this is remember this die. So I wonder how I can use this. Sometimes I'm clueless, you guys. I will mention oh my gosh, Tammy Jones and Funtime Crafts 24/7. Oh my gosh, her videos are amazing. She gets all these items and she starts using them like crazy. I tend to hoard. Why? Because they're so cute and I don't want to use them up. Oh, this is cute. Braver, stronger, smarter, loved. That's so cute. I like that. And this is another border right here. And these are chipboard stickers. So this is what they look like. And I love receiving these, you guys. I love receiving. And I am actually hoarding these. I do need to start using them. And just love them. I know Judy from My Scrapbook Loft does the melting of them from like beads. And I wish I could do that. But I don't have the time. Anyway, so here's some ribbon. Usually you get 2 rolls of ribbon, and these are cute. I like these. So as you guys know, I don't know, I have a bad habit of doing that. I'm always checking to see how much you get, and it's not just this one, it's every time I go to the store. I have to like, okay, well, how much am I getting? So even though it gives you the measurements here, it's 3 yards, but you know, it's just a bad habit I have. And see how this one looks like it's more than the other one was? Yeah, it's just me. Bad habit. And this one's 3 yards as well. And, oh, I have not seen this. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, how cute the birdies. So, her paper is usually double-sided, you guys. So, let me go ahead and just show it to you sideways. And remember this. I love the raindrops, you guys. So, this is a red, and this is more of a pink. My colors here don't usually... are not showing up as good as it looks in here. So this was the monthly, because she also has a die and stamp monthly kit, and this is what came in her. It's usually on the 1st of the month, and this is what it looks like, and this was it. And I think the birds were part of the 1st month. So how cute, you guys. This is so cute. Oh, I love this one. Oh my goodness. So pretty. And then there's a purple and a dark purple on this side. Did I miss that? So so it's double-sided. There you go. And then this is a lighter blue with the little birdies, and then it's a smaller remember this, and there's more rainbow. Ooh, and this is a green. It's a light green, and then there's hearts. How cute. And there's a confetti, and there's a green. Did I show? And there's a yellow right here. So I love this confetti. Oh, this is so cute. And this is a light blue. I like this. Love. This is our darker blue and a purple. And then I believe it starts again. So how cute. Love it. Love it. And like I said, I am hoarding. You get your envelopes. And you get your cardstock, and you get this awesome folder where you can store all your, I don't know if you guys could see it. You can store your paper pads. I'm using one of them to store my big dies that are like big. So that's what I'm using one of them for. So awesome to have. And then let me show and see, or let's see what we got for papers. And let me see. So you get the light green, you get a yellow, a light purple. Oh, I like this light pink, a blue. You get a light blue. And you guys, she does have names for these, but I don't know the names. Purple, a darker purple. And then you get, I believe, 6 of the whites. So awesome. Anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch. And we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.